What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Got another property, overgrown grass. Client said that the last line guy just up and stopped cutting grass, stopped servicing them. Got that house over here. He used to service them too. So I have to cut their yard. It's really overgrown, as you can see, all the way through. I had to charge them double the price. Just want to encourage you guys. This is hard work. So those who, it's like the turtle, steady running the race, you'll win in the end. Just pace yourself. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to move my business, but I need to pace myself because at the end of the day, you need longevity to be in this business. Have a pine straw installation today. Rain is out yesterday, y'all. So installing pine straw in this area. Got a new helper too, named Joe. Just want to let y'all know, finding good help out there is hard. I already had 2 to quit. This ain't for the light at heart. This is hard work. So this is before, guys, laying it out. All right, fam, we did a hedge job, a pine straw install, and we serviced their lawn. So, did it all. Looking good, fam. Looking good. Guess I could show y'all around, huh? Okay, I'll do that for you. What's up, Quick Cutz? My bad. Y'all ain't Quick Cutz, my bad. What's up, lawn care family? Well, I have some workers, and it's been hot. It's been really hot. And let me tell you something. You can't be out in this heat and you think you can drink alcohol. It's not gonna work, y'all. It's not gonna work. Now, once again, we are grown men, and we understand that grown men like to relax, and some like to relax with a nice, cool, refreshing drink.
Alcoholic beverage.
A nice adult alcoholic beverage. But let me tell you something. Alcohol heats up faster than water. So we started out with 4 today, and we were left with just Darian. So Darian calls me and said, Vic, we need you to work on this last yard because it's a cleanup, and I'm gonna have to let the other guys go. So I was like, I don't know, man. You know, y'all can muster it out. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can do it. You can do it. And he was like, no, they can't. And just to be fair with my guys, they wanted to go, but we didn't think they can make it. Well, Darren, who was there, said they could make it, and they did look tired when I saw them a couple of times. And it's 91, 96, and 95. That's if you got H2O in your body, water. You know what I'm saying? If you don't, you was probably somewhere about 350. You know, one of them said it was so hot they felt like, you know, a radiator, you know, overheating. I was like, wow, that's very descriptive on you, you know, radiator overheating.
They was out here boiling. You know how when the water boiled, I got a little white rim around it. They had that little white stuff around it. Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out, you know, how my work is gonna work, and you know, it's new to me, so hey, it's new. And you know what? If I get somebody some work who's willing to work hard, right now, like I said, I'm like McDonald's. I'm hiring smiling faces with great attitudes. That's what we're hiring. We'll teach you the skill. We really would. If you're trying to hang around, we'll teach you a skill. But watch this guy in the middle of the street on a bicycle. Yeah, I don't want to be the one to hit him.
Man, look at this. The heat make you do crazy things.
He's making cars actually get out the center lane for him.
Wow. See, when you see people like that, they don't realize that it's somebody out there texting and driving. That's all you need. Or it's a teenage driver out there.
You ain't gonna make me move. I bet you he move.
Well, anyway, guys, so I'm just being honest where I'm at. We're still trying to hire new help. We're still trying to learn how it works out, what to expect. You know, our phones are still ringing. We're still getting a lot of calls from the internet. So, matter of fact, this is an add-on today that we're doing. The guys actually completed the actual list for the day. And to be honest with you guys, it's not a big list. Not compared to some of you that I know be doing 20 and 30, you know. That's a lot of yards, but you know, maybe y'all have smaller yards than ours, because out here in Conyers, hey, you can't push these yards. No, sir. No. So, we're about to do a cleanup. Hopefully, it only takes an hour. I'm not really hydrated at the moment because I was called last minute. I was called like the military, you know what I'm saying? Hey, man, we need you over here, man. We need you. And I was like, all right, man, all right, okay. And he caught me at a good time.
I'm glad we caught him, because Vic was going to make it a one-man cleanup for real.
Hey,
that dude's going to have about one bush done.
Yeah. So, all right, cut on, lawn care family, cut on. We're cutting out. Peace.